everyone, Miss J 1973, Jan my real name. I'm going to try to get this video posted tonight. Thanks to Jack Williamson, I was able to get this detector set off. Able to get it making some noise, and noise it made. I bought two 120.6 volt plugs very recently, adapter plugs. Sorry, I'm a little nervous on camera. And he helped me wire these up without actually help from getting gator clips, although I'm probably going to at the end of the month, just to be on the safe side. But here's the box and everything, and I know you guys have seen it. It never came with a battery or instructions, but I'm going to go over here and we're going to wire this up. So hold on. Okay, so as you can see, here is the charger. It's a simple charger, a line charger, 126 volts. Now what I did, Jack helped me with, is taking these two wires. So I had to strip these down quite severely, and I am not any way, shape, or form techy. So hold on, I'll take the cover off. All right. Okay. All right. So there's what I did. It's duct tape. It's not duct taped. It's got masking, or not masking tape, Scotch tape. So I don't know if you can see it. There it is. And there it is. And I have another cord, just in case this one doesn't work out, but it does. And this is cool because it has the upside down sensor. So, all right, I'm gonna put the cover on. We're gonna give it a test, and it works. So hold on. All right, plug it in. It makes no noise when I plug it in, by the way. I'll show you. There is power going to it. You can see the green light there. So what I'll do is I'll do this. All right. Okay, hold on. Didn't do anything that time, so it must have reset itself. Anyways, it's pretty cool. But that's the Westclox smoke alarm. So I'm gonna try it one more time. Oh, start up again. Cool. Didn't sound very healthy though. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try it one more time. Are you gonna do anything? I'm going to try one more time. Full alarm there. Okay. One more time. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. But as you can see, this is what I did. Jack Williamson helped me earlier tonight. So, The red part is in here, and the black part is in here, which is the white part of the alarm, of the cord. So it worked. It's pretty cool. It's my first time doing this, testing an alarm that is not, originally was intended for battery powered. They don't make the 1.26 volt batteries anymore, so this is the only way to test it, and this one didn't come with it. But as you can hear, it's pretty loud, and it's straight squealer. So anyways, I'll try to get the video posted. Sorry, I'm a little tired tonight, and it is after midnight. But I wanted to get this posted, and a big shout out to Jack Williamson for helping me. So I hope it gets posted, and talk soon. And yes, this is a Westclox smoke alarm, and it's from as far as 1978. There is the insides of it. And it's pretty cool. And again, it's got that strange upside down sensor. And if I look at that date, okay, where is it here? Okay. Okay, 8:05, 4, was that? Yeah. So that has to be 78, May 5th, has to be May 4th of 1978 that I know of. But anyways, it's pretty cool. So take care, guys, and I will try to post the video, and a big thank you out to Jack. You really helped me do this, to post it. So, anyways, and yeah, I am nervous on camera, but we'll try to get it posted, okay? Alright, bye now.